Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. My name is Zoya. Today I am doing debate on a very amazing topic that no detention policy is good or bad. So in my opinion, this policy is not good because when students know that it doesn't matter they are studying or not because teachers will pass them. So because of this, the habit of the hard work doesn't develop in students. And if I talk about competitive exam, so we all know very well that in every competitive exam there is competition a lot, and if you terminate the fail pass system from starting, then obviously students will not do hard work. And because of this, they will not be able to maintain discipline in their life as well as in their studies. And if I talk about the students of the ninth standard, so when students come in ninth standard, then they have a tough syllabus. Then at that time they have feared that they will be fail. Why they have feared that they will be fail? Because now they don't have habit to do hard work. Now they don't have habit to do study with consistency. That's why I'm saying that this policy is not good, and it is not fault of students, it is fault of this policy.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ajaz, and today we all are doing debate here on an exquisite topic, which is no detention policy. Is it good or bad? So, in my approach, it is good. So, my first point is about reduced dropout rate. What happened in India? What happened in India that most of the students who don't study, so he get failed, and because of fail again and again, he will be remain in the same class. Okay, because of this thing he leave school, he leave study. Because of this thing, is the student study is means it's called students population will be decreased. And according to the data, when there was no detention policy, so till 2009 to 2010 the percentage was dropout rate was 9.11%, and after implementing this policy the population will means decrease significantly the percentage of dropout rate. Till 2018 to 2019 the percentage was 4.03%. That
Okay,
that's
listen.
all.
As you are talking about failure student, so I want to ask you that do you have data about failure student in ninth standard? You know, in session 2023 to 2024, you know, in Delhi, more than 1 lakh students get failed in exams. So I want to ask you that you tell me why are students failing?
So, and I can also say that as you mentioned that because of pass again and again, they can be promoted in next class. By the rote learning, they can also pass. They will not get and gain any knowledge about the means studies.
Listen, it's not answer of my question. Listen, I have answered. Because the syllabus of the ninth standard is based on 7th and 8th class. It means the concepts and topics students have learned in 7th and 8th class. And now in ninth class, they will learn same concepts in detail. But when the foundation will weak, then obviously ninth class will tough for students. So it's not fault of students. It's fault of government because government made this policy.